Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
U Timothy di Shira ulong bakadaw ba urisanyo naga Shuki kum u deputy speaker kadai ba Hynnin ka Miet nakapor khatway beji ulayo e ka call no unong yalam ba kledo ujong ka party NPP u kanrat sangma u balaong yu ba urisanyo naga Shuki deputy speaker ha sngi ka babun ka badai minta ka sngi sedang ka dorbar senrai haba kli u naga e kadaw ba u kanrat sangma ulaong yu ba urisanyo u Timothy ule tho ba tepei but uklam keliru nagi ay kadaw ba ula hukum yu ban Hiar Shuki no ula benrap da ka baong ba shong ha jing start jong u kumunong yalam namar ba udai unong yalam ba khlido jong ka party umla ban ong e kum juru ula pen pa ba sngo e henry usngo hun yu ka hukum u president watla ka dei yu ba un sha be ani sha pha shunu shunu ru dei lei ula pen pa kani ka dei ka jinglong jong ha ula benrap.
Yeah, from the beginning demand is there. But I told him, not to go to Chief Minister because it is his prerogative. Not to disturb him also.
And sir, when are you having the MDA meeting in this regard?
MPA?
MDA.
MDA meeting, I don't know that also. Because no information I have received till now. I don't know anything about this.
So, but why suddenly, sir, the decision?
So on this matter, I don't have any further comment. That's all.
So, why the decision suddenly?
Suddenly, decision is up to our party high command.
So, is there a push for other MLAs to, take over?
That also I don't know. Only last night I received a call from CM. Then he said, "Awang, you better resign tomorrow." So I resigned. As a loyal party man, I cannot say no.
But you should have said why. You should have protested.
I did not ask why also because I don't like to ask why. Because I know it is prerogative.
But you are the most senior person.
Even then, you say, as a senior most party man, I should not ask him also. It depends on his wisdom.
Don't you know? Don't you think that you should know the reason? You are perfectly all right now. There is no sickness. Why somebody has to say that you have to resign immediately?
That is why you see I don't have any further comment on that. Because you see, I have tendered my resignation as per the direction from the party high command. And say what I am asked to do, I have done it. So it depends on the what is called the wisdom of the Shem, whether he asks me to sit somewhere or go somewhere, that also I don't know.
But under such short notice, last night he called you and told you to resign this morning and you resigned. So such short notice.
That also I don't know. I did not ask him why I should resign.
Not even a single word was said. Why? The reason why?
No. Till now.
Maybe you will be accommodated in the cabinet, in the reshuffle.
That also I don't know. I say it is his prerogative, I tell you. Yeah. I don't know whether I'll be inducted or I'll be thrown away or I'll be sent somewhere else. I say.
So, but does this make you angry?
Does
this make you angry?
It's not too early, I think. They want to do the election of the deputation within this session. So I have to keep way.
So are you not angry?
Huh?
Are you
Angry.
not angry?
Huh?
Angry.
No, I'm not angry. I'm not angry. I'm quite satisfied. Satisfied.
So
This is my nature. I never get angry.
Sir,
In politics, so far as politics is concerned, I never get angry.
sir, what time you resigned and yesterday what time you received a call from CM?
At about 11 at night, when I was about to sleep,
And
suddenly I got a call.
and today what time you resigned, sir?
Huh?
Today what time you resigned, sir?
Before 9:30,
So he
so
has,
far I remember.
he has not explained to you the reason why you should quit.
No, I did not ask for explanation also. I didn't ask him also.
But is it not a logical, normal thing The question comes.
I have a full trust in him. I don't know. You see, so I cannot say no because he's my most favorite CM.
Who will be succeeding you?
What?
Who will succeed you as a deputy speaker? Next deputy speaker, who will be?
Next deputy speaker, that also I don't know. Who will be? Whom they will pick up for deputy speaker? That also, I say it is not within my knowledge.
But are you giving any suggestion?
No, I'm not giving suggestions. I don't know. I don't give any suggestion.